Okay, so this is the second time I've recorded this video. The first time, apparently my audio was really bad. I was using one of my lapel mics that decided not to work properly. But you clicked on this video because you want my take on Dmitry Lipinskiy, the owner of Roofing Insights, versus GAF. Currently, I'm in beautiful Denver, Colorado with a good buddy of mine, Chase Barron, the owner of Skyguard, co-owner of Skyguard. I'm out here shooting videos with him right now for the YouTube channel. So anyway, about Dmitry and GAF. Well, I've known Dmitry in the industry since I got in the industry about 4 years ago, and I met him at a Windstorm conference. Him and I really got along the first time we met. It was right after we released the Get a Roof, Get a Gun video, and next thing I know, like 3 months later, he did a Roofing Insights video, basically wondering if we were even a legit company or not, or we were just, you know, screwing people over with this weird AR-15 deal. And I was kind of taken aback by it because I was like, I mean, we're obviously a real deal. I mean, we were a licensed, company at that time. While we hadn't been around that long, I mean, you could definitely tell that we were the real deal. I mean, my partner and I had, had degrees, and we were established business, so I thought that was enough to prove. But Dmitry really put us on blast. And but I will say this about Dmitry. Dmitry will look for the truth, and as painful as it may be for everybody in the process sometimes, he is someone who calls out roofing contractors for not paying people. He calls out subs for not completing jobs. He obviously calls out manufacturers. He will, he's not afraid to call anybody out for their BS in the industry, and I do respect that about him. And Dmitry and I have a better relationship now. He even is friendly with me, even though that he knows that we started our YouTube channel up, and that's obviously in his space where he works at and stuff. And him and I have had a great conversations since then, and I have a great deal of respect for Dmitry. Not only the content he puts out, the fact that he owns a very successful roofing company, and the fact that Dmitry is, what you see is what you get. And he sticks to his guns, and he's got a great work ethic. The way he's scaled his company and all the things that he does on content in such a short amount of time is very impressive. Now, with that said, when it comes to GAF, from what I understand, Dmitry back in 2016 did a comparison video shooting GAF shingles, and they did not test very well in this particular test. And he went ahead and put the video on his YouTube channel, and Dmitry was signed into GAF's shingle programs that stated you cannot talk bad about GAF products. And Dmitry went ahead and released the video, and GAF came after him. Now, if I'm looking at this from GAF's point of view, GAF obviously, and we do installs with GAF. GAF has been a great shingle for us. The reps have been good to us. I have no complaints about GAF whatsoever. I feel like they're one of the better shingle manufacturers out there. Whether you feel that way or not, it's irrelevant to the point of the video. The point is, that's what my personal take is. We are not a master elite contractor or anything like that. I think we're a authorized applicator, is what they call it through GAF. But GAF specifically has it in their programs that if you say anything bad about their products when you're supposed to be one of the contractors on their side, they have legal ramifications to come after you. And that's exactly what happened with Dmitry. So my personal thought on it, do I feel for Dmitry? Absolutely. I think that sucks. I know I haven't personally had a large corporation come after me, but I can't talk too much about what Skyguard's got going on because it's an ongoing legal battle. But they have a legal battle going on right now with a company, and I've seen exactly what type of stress it's put my friends under, having a company and just running their company the right way for no reason. Then they simply are trying to be taken advantage of by a large company. I'm not saying that GAF is necessarily doing that to Dmitry, but I do know what seeing that's like. Even though it didn't happen to me personally, it did happen to a good friend of mine. So is GAF in the right in what they did? I mean, if you look at it legally, absolutely. And I'm not faulting GAF whatsoever for anything Dmitry said. I'm not agreeing with Dmitry whatsoever with his his attacks on GAF. I'm just simply stating that Both of them feel like they're probably a little right and a little wrong in this situation. My question is, what do you guys think? Dmitry's a big player in this industry. He obviously, has a lot of influence. Do you guys think that GAF is taking advantage of him, or do you think that Dmitry should have just shut up a long time ago and moved on and not, poke the bear anymore? I don't know.